Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start the 7th chapter of GK. The name of the chapter is Presidents of India. This is very important chapter. So let's start. India is the largest democracy in the world. It is run by a government elected by the people. The president is the head of the state. Now let's start from the first president of India, that is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Rajendra Prasad was an Indian activist, lawyer, scholar and subsequently the first president of India in office from 1950 to 1962. He was an Indian political leader and lawyer by training. Now let's move to our second president of India, that was S. Radhakrishnan. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was an Indian philosopher, academic and statesman who served as the first vice president of India and the second president of India. Now third one is Dr. Zakir Hussain. Zakir Hussain Khan was an Indian economist and politician who served as the third president of India from 13 May 1967 until his death on 3 May 1969. Now the fourth president of India was V.V. Giri. Varahagiri Venkata Giri was the fourth president of India from 24 August 1969 to 24 August 1974. He was the only president to be elected as an independent candidate. He was succeeded by Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed as president in 1974. Now the fifth president of India was Dr. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed was an Indian lawyer and politician who served as the fifth president of India from 1974 to 1977. He was also the second president of India to die in office. Now the next President of India was Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. He was the sixth President of India, serving from 1977 to 1982, beginning a long political career with the Indian National Congress Party in the Indian Independence Movement. He went on to hold several key offices before becoming the youngest ever Indian President. Now the next president was Gyani Jail Singh. Gyani Jail Singh was the seventh president of India, serving from 1982 to 1987. Prior to his presidency, he was a politician with the Indian National Congress Party and had held several ministerial posts in the Union Cabinet, including that of Home Minister. Now the next president was Ramaswamy Venkataraman. He was an Indian lawyer, independence activist and politician who served as a union minister and as the 8th president of India. Now the next president was Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma. Shankar Dayal Sharma was the 9th president of India, serving from 1992 to 1997. Prior to his presidency, Sharma had been the 8th Vice President of India, serving under Ramaswamy Venkataraman. Now, the next President of India was K.R. Narayan. Koktil Raman Narayan was an Indian academic and politician who served as the 10th President of India and 9th Vice President of India. Now, the next President of India was Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was an Indian aerospace scientist and politician who served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. He was also known as the Missile Man of India because he had contributed towards the missile project. Now, the next President of India was Pratibha Patil. Pratibha Devi Singh Patil is an Indian politician who served as the 12th President of India from 2007 to 2012. A member of the Indian National Congress, Patil is the only woman to hold the office. Now, the next President of India was Pranab Mukherjee. Pranab Mukherjee is an Indian politician who served as the 13th President of India from 2012 until 2017. In a political career, Mukherjee has been a senior leader in the Indian National Congress and has occupied several ministerial portfolios in the Government of India. Now, the next President of India is Ram Nath Kovind. Ram Nath Kovind is the 14th and current President of India since 25th July 2017. Previously, he had served as the 26th Governor of Bihar from 2015 to 2017 and was a Member of Parliament Rajya Sabha from 1994 to 2006. I hope you all understand this chapter. Thank you, students.